Hello all, welcome to Selenium Python Training Series. In this session, as part of PyTest, I'm going to explain the first topic of PyTest, that is, what is PyTest? So let's get started. PyTest is a unit testing framework for Python programming language. If you are using Python programming for writing the code, then in that case, the unit testing framework that is supported by this Python programming language is none other than this PyTest. And we are going to use this PyTest as a unit testing framework in our test automation project, where we are going to write our Selenium automation code in Python programming language. If in case, in place of Python, if you are using Java, then which test automation frameworks or unit testing frameworks we have to use? TestNG or JUnit. Okay, in case of Java, we have TestNG or JUnit unit testing framework supported, but Python supports PyTest unit testing framework. Okay, in our Selenium automation projects, we are going to use PyTest as a testing framework because in this series, we are going to use or write the automation code in Python programming language. So we have to take a supported testing framework, that is PyTest. But if you are writing your automation code or any other thing in Java programming language, in place of PyTest, you have to use TestNG or JUnit. So in this series, we are going to use PyTest because our programming language we have chosen for automating our code, etc. is Python. Okay. So who can use PyTest? Only the testers can use PyTest? No, no, that is not the answer. Okay. Both developers and testers can use PyTest. Okay. Developers will use this PyTest. Okay. For unit testing purpose. Okay. For unit testing purpose, developers generally perform the unit testing, right? So for unit testing, for automating the unit testing purpose, developers will use PyTest. So what the testers will use PyTest for? Testers will use PyTest in their automation testing projects. Okay. For automation testing purpose, testers need to use PyTest. Okay. So without PyTest also, we can run the automation scripts, but in actual frameworks and all, right, where a proper project is created, where PyTest need to be used for automation testing. Okay. So that you'll get a lot of benefits by including PyTest in our automation testing projects. There are a lot of benefits will be included. What are the advantages or benefits that will get included in our automation testing projects by including PyTest? The advantages we get are control flow. We can decide the flow of the execution of the automation code with the help of PyTest. Okay, control flow of the code. Second thing is running in group. So without PyTest, we have to run the test separately. Okay, so different tests we need to run separately, one after the other one, separate way. But with the help of PyTest, we can run all the tests together. Okay, as a group, we can run the tests. Third thing is parallel execution. While one test is running, parallelly another test can run. Okay, multiple tests can run at the same time. That is possible with the help of PyTest. Generating the report. With the help of PyTest, we can generate the different type of reports and many more advantages we get by including PyTest in our test automation projects, where we are writing our automation code in Python programming language. So hope guys you understood what exactly is PyTest in this session, and more details about PyTest will be covered in the upcoming sessions of this series. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.